By staying in Dublin, you can experience the best of Ireland through well-planned day trips, returning each evening to the comfort of the city's vibrant heart. A balanced approach for a stress-free journey. To make the most of your adventure, this itinerary carefully alternates between full-day excursions to must-see landmarks and lighter days, exploring Dublin's rich history, culture, and hidden gems. Why? Because waking up at dawn every day to catch a tour can quickly turn your dream trip into a tiring routine. By balancing long travel days with relaxed, immersive local experiences, you'll enjoy both the thrill of discovery and the joy of unwinding in Dublin's charming streets, cozy cafes, and lively pubs. This itinerary isn't just a list of places to visit. It's a carefully curated journey designed to give you the most enriching and enjoyable experience possible. If for any reason your trip will be shorted, do not hesitate to remove one or more of the proposed days. Imagine this travel as Lego blocks that you can move according to your desire. On the first day, considering potential delays during travel and the fatigue that often comes with long journeys, we highly recommend staying in Dublin. For the best experience, plan only flexible activities that allow you to adjust to any unexpected circumstances. We suggest splitting the day into two parts. First, enjoy a relaxed walking tour with a local guide allowing you to explore Dublin at your own pace. In the evening, join a fun and social pub crawl where you can meet fellow travelers and enjoy Dublin's vibrant nightlife in an organized and friendly group setting. After your relaxed day in Dublin with the pub crawling evening, let's embark on an unforgettable adventure to the Cliffs of Moher. Standing at 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean, the cliffs offer some of the most breathtaking views in Ireland. You'll be captivated by the sheer beauty of the cliffs and the vastness of the ocean. Take a guided tour or explore the cliffs at your own pace, enjoying the surrounding nature and the stunning scenery. With the perfect balance of adventure and relaxation, this excursion is the ideal way to continue your Irish journey. The best way to book your tickets is through Get Your Guide, where you can enjoy easy cancellations and find a time that fits your schedule. After an awe-inspiring visit to the Cliffs of Moher, it's time to dive into the world of Game of Thrones. With this exciting studio tour, you'll embark on a journey from Dublin to Banbridge, just 90 minutes away, with round-trip coach transfers. Explore iconic sets, costumes, and props that brought the Seven Kingdoms to life in one of the largest interactive studio tours ever created. Get up close to the epic craftsmanship behind your favorite scenes, from Winterfell to King's Landing. Walk through the Great Hall of Winterfell, where Jon Snow was crowned king in the north, and see the legendary costumes worn by the costumes. Experience over 100,000 square feet of engaging exhibits that will transport you right into the world of Game of Thrones. Don't miss this chance to experience Westeros like never before. When you're back, spend your evening in Temple Bar and enjoy the best Irish relaxing evening after this magic day. After your thrilling Game of Thrones studio tour, it's time to continue your adventure with a breathtaking day trip to Northern Ireland. Travel in on a comfortable coach and explore some of the region's most famous landmarks, including the Giant's Causeway, Dark Hedges, Dunluce Castle, and Belfast. Start your day with a quick stop at Dunluce Castle for a photo opportunity, then marvel at the natural wonder of the Giant's Causeway, where you'll have ample time to explore the stunning hexagonal basalt columns. Continue your journey with a scenic drive through the enchanting Dark Hedges before heading to Belfast for a sightseeing tour of the capital city. With plenty of time to explore and shop in Belfast, you can enjoy local food and grab some souvenirs. Don't forget to ask your guide about a complimentary whiskey tasting back in Dublin. Ready to explore Northern Ireland's finest spots? Embark on a half-day journey from Dublin to the charming seaside village of Howth with big bus tours. This relaxing coastal tour includes a return bus journey to Howth Summit, where you'll be welcomed by the breathtaking views of the cliffs. On this guided walking tour, you'll be taken along the scenic coastal paths, soaking in the stunning panoramas of the rugged cliffs. Afterward, you'll have free time to explore Howth Village at your leisure, where you can visit the 19th century Martello Tower and wander around the medieval ruins of St. T. Admire the sweeping views of the Wicklow Mountains and explore the tranquil monastic site of Glendalough. Continue to the medieval city of Kilkenny, where history and charm meet. Start from Dublin and set off on a comfortable bus to Glendalough. Along the way, your guide will share fascinating facts and stories about Dublin and its surrounding areas. Upon arrival at Glendalough, often considered one of Ireland's most beautiful spots, enjoy an optional guided tour of the historic monastic settlement. Afterward, you'll have free time to explore the area or unwind at a local cafe. For the more adventurous, there is the option to hike to the upper lake, a 5 kilometers journey that takes you past the lower lake through a picturesque nature trail leading deep into the valley and up to the upper lake. As you continue your journey through the stunning Wicklow Mountains, your guide will reveal the history and geology of the area, pointing out famous movie locations featured in P. Stop for a 10-minute photo opportunity at the Wicklow Gap, before making your way to the charming city of Kilkenny. Once in Kilkenny, enjoy free time to stroll through its narrow lanes and admire the stunning medieval architecture. Visit the famous Kilkenny Castle and relax with a picnic or lunch in one of the local pubs. For those interested, an optional guided tour of the city is available before you return to Dublin. Begin your adventure at the legendary Guinness Storehouse, where the essence of Ireland's most iconic drink comes to life. As you step inside this fascinating attraction, you'll find yourself surrounded by the history, passion, and craftsmanship that have made Guinness a global symbol of Irish pride. Wander through the exhibits, learn about the brewing process, and uncover the stories behind the iconic stout that's been enjoyed by millions around the world. The highlight of your visit is the breathtaking Gravity Bar, where a perfectly poured pint of Guinness is yours to savor, while taking in 360-degree views of Dublin's charming cityscape. It's an experience that encapsulates everything Dublin stands for: culture, history, and hospitality. Ready to make your Guinness experience unforgettable? From the heart of Dublin's brewing legacy, it's time to take a step back in history at the majestic Dublin Castle. As you approach this grand fortress, you'll be transported to a time when it was the center of British power in Ireland. Now a symbol of Ireland's sovereignty and independence, Dublin Castle offers a glimpse into the country's storied past. Wander through the opulent state apartments where Irish political history unfolded, and marvel at the beauty of the Chapel Royal. As you explore, you'll feel the whispers of centuries-old stories, each telling a tale of power, rebellion, and resilience. It's the perfect place to connect with Dublin's rich history and understand the very foundation of modern Ireland. After immersing yourself in Dublin's royal past, it's time to indulge in another of Ireland's finest traditions: whiskey. Dublin's whiskey distilleries are not just places to sip fine spirits. They are living museums of Irish heritage and craftsmanship. Each distillery tells its own story, sharing the time-honored methods of distilling that have been perfected over centuries. You'll be guided through the process, discovering the artistry behind each batch, from the selection of ingredients to the aging process that gives whiskey its smooth, distinct flavor. And of course, you'll have the opportunity to sample some of the finest whiskey in the world, savoring the flavors that have made Ireland synonymous with exceptional whiskey. Get ready to raise your glass and immerse yourself in the world of whiskey. As your day in Dublin unfolds, you'll discover the heart and soul of Ireland through its world-class Guinness, fascinating history, and unparalleled whiskey craftsmanship. Whether you're enjoying a pint with a view walking through the halls of Dublin Castle, or savoring the smooth taste of Irish whiskey, every moment will deepen your connection to this remarkable city. Dublin isn't just a place to visit, it's a place to feel alive. Come and experience the magic of Dublin, where history, culture, and tradition await at every turn. How can you book these fantastic experiences? The links to all these amazing activities are in the video description. Planning more adventures? Check out my Amazon store, Lucy Evans Travelguides, for expert tips and site recommendations. Link in the description. Loved this video? Make sure to subscribe and drop a like. Your support helps us bring you the best travel content. Oh, by the way, are you a free soul? Do you dream of traveling the world without money worries? We've created the most complete course on building a travel lifestyle that lets you explore the world and get paid for it. Check the link in the description to learn more about this life-changing opportunity. Join our Republic of Travelers and start your journey today.